Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is a video which I made especially for people who has lots and lots of hair and they want to get rid of it. Like I am someone, guys, I have lots of hair, so I'm particularly talking about my face area, but there are people who has lots of hair on their neck areas and on other parts of your body as well, which you might be feeling very embarrassed about. So I have a pretty easy solution for you guys. And what we do to get rid of the hair we have, like we go for waxing or we go for shaving, or sometimes we need to just pluck them out. But what plucking and shaving does is it creates bumps. Like these are the open pores and the bumps, and it sometimes causes zits on your face as well, and it might cause infection. And in the shaving, guys, we all know the day we shave it, the hair appears just the next day, and which is not a convenient hair removal method at all, especially for a sensitive skin like our faces or the neck. So today in this video I am going to show you a simple solution. This is a lotion which helps in reducing the hair growth, and over a prolonged period of time it is gonna be completely vanished. And I am using this since a month and I am able to see a significant difference. I am not going to say that it has completely gone, that like it's not even there at all. The hair are there, but the hair growth is reducing, and which was a great thing for me. So I thought that I'm going to share this with you guys, and I'm going to tell you everything in detail, how I use it, how it has worked for me and everything. For that we quickly need to get into the video, guys. And also, if you're someone who hasn't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it would mean everything to me. So let's quickly dive into the video. So guys, this is how the packaging looks like. It comes with a pump. All you need to do is take a little bit on your fingertips and apply on the desired area. You can apply it wherever you feel like, where you think you have so much of hair growth. And if you are someone who gets waxing session done, you need to apply it consecutively for 5 days in morning and evening. But if you're someone who shaves, you need to apply it every day. It is gonna deactivate the hair bulb, which helps in regrowth of hair and give you permanently hair-free skin. So guys, this was it. I really hope that you find it helpful. I'm going to leave the product link in the description box below. I thought I have covered everything. If you still have any queries left, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to answer it for you guys. And I hope that you know the drill. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.